Hi, today we will do a product review for this DJI Spark remote control for this lanyard. I currently using this lanyard for plastic version, and you can see when I close the remote control, actually is cannot fit properly. So, and then this is a plastic version, and I feel that actually is not secure. So this Hobbyinrc do send me a product review for this Pgytech remote control slab for this Spark. So today we will do a unboxing and installation into this RC. So first we open up and see the box inside. They come with this remote control clip and this neck sling. Also come with this user manual. The user manual will show you actually how to install it and remove it. Actually it's quite simple. For the installation, you just open up your remote control, and then you just put it in. As you can see that USB port, you just put in the middle, and then you just click in. So that's it. The installation is actually very simple. And you can see now my remote control, it can close very nicely, better than before. And then this clip actually is quite solid and not that big, very slim. Also this one, the string actually can adjustable. And this one you can click in, so it's quite secure, and also can be rotating. So if you want to take out, you just press and then remove it. So if you want to remove it, very simple, you just pull out here and then it will take out. So quite simple. Also, if you want to install your phone, it's working very well. So I will put this product description link on my video. You can click on the link to purchase from Hobbyinrc. I also will put this promotion code, so you can have purchase other accessory as well to have a 10% discount. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming accessory review.